We've got some information from Merit Kitchens.
Merit Kitchens is a Canadian company that offers semi-custom cabinets for your kitchen, your bathroom, anywhere in your house.
Semi-custom cabinetry is halfway between big box and totally custom cabinetry. You get a large catalog of cabinetry in many different sizes, but at a lower price point than having completely custom cabinetry made.
What's great about Merit Kitchens is that they'll work with you to maximize your space. No filler boards needed, therefore no space is wasted. It maximizes usable storage area, which is very valuable, especially in a kitchen.
They've released some new products for 2020, including a new door style called the Denver door, which is a fresh take on the classic shaker door.
Merit Kitchens has a new cabinet door line called Pacifica. Some of the top key features: it is certified antibacterial. The material actually inhibits growth and development of bacteria. It's budget conscious, so this finish is at no additional cost to the homeowner. It also has a beautiful design and a durable construction. And last but not least, they're really easy to maintain. You just need some soapy water or some ammonia-based glass cleaner. There's definitely a lot of very cool stuff coming from Merit Kitchens, so I'll be sure to check them out.